When it comes to creating original food recipes, you need to give your reader every opportunity for success. Whether you want to publish a cookbook, share recipes online, or simply pass them to friends, making your recipes easy to follow is crucial. Here are some tips from FamilyCookbookProject.com, the leader in custom cookbook publishing. Start by documenting your original recipe as you make it. This is your first draft, capturing the real-time kitchen event. Be specific about ingredient measurements and forms. A pinch or a handful won't cut it for most readers. Use commonly accepted terms to describe ingredient preparation and cooking methods. Precision is key. Rewrite your draft notes into a structured recipe form. Separate ingredients, methods, and equipment into distinct sections. Write a personal note for your recipe. Share its history or special features to entice your readers. Offer serving suggestions to complement your dish. Think about what foods and beverages enhance your recipe. Include images. Visuals can greatly enhance the reader's experience and let them know how the finished recipe should look. Always use a spell checker. Even the most careful writers can miss errors. Ask a friend or family member for a review from a fresh pair of eyes. They can often catch mistakes and offer valuable insights. Remember, writing a recipe is like writing a set of instructions. It requires precision and clarity. Documenting your recipe as you cook helps capture the creative process and ensures accuracy. By following these tips, you can create recipes that anyone can follow with success. The next step is to collect them all into a personal cookbook. Happy cooking!